Good evening guys. For today's videos guys, maggawa tayo ng graham pala. Kagawa ng graham ang aking dalaga. So diyan lang kayo at antabayan nyo na siya ang gagawa at ako lang yung manonood. Alright! Ito yung handa guys na hindi walang kupas. Ang graham. Ayan, graham. Sa lahat ng mga Pinoy, gustong gusto nila tong handa na to. Guys, ito yung kanyang ingredients. Ayan, yung umpisahan na niya.
So we have here
Ayan, oh.
an all-purpose cream, Magnolia. So we're gonna use 12 pieces, right, Miguel? And what's that?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Mangoes?
Tagal na kaisip. Ayan,
Ilang
guys.
mangoes yan? 5. We're gonna use 5 mangoes for 3 cups of Jollibee family plan. Pakita mo yung pan natin. So,
Condense. Ayan na. Cream. Ayan. Para tuloy-tuloy yung pagbukas. Ayan. Bukas pa yung matapos yan guys. Kasi napaka energetic yung gumagawa natin.
Wow.
so ito.
Ayan.
To untangle this one because if hindi natin tatanggalin to, hindi natin masisimot ng buo.
Can you speak English continue? Do not
Do not,
stop.
Okay. So, this is the MY San Graham crackers and we bought it for like 48 pesos only. And it was grocery store nila. Dolores. Decolores grocery store. Right? But later we're gonna open this one. We're out of stock, so nag-hoard na kami. For like 10 pieces, abot hanggang New Year. Right, Miguel? Yes.
Guys, in-opening cream.
Cream.
Ayan.
Cream, no cream. Say it again.
Crime.
So, ay right through here.
Nag-i-import yung lawa guys. Grabe yung mukha.
It's really a serious project, you know, because it's for the birthday of our beloved Jesus Christ. No.
Puno na.
Which is sakto. Yan. Ito lang siya. Was a parade.
Tapos na yung paglagay ng cream. Creamy.
After 12 hours.
After 1 year. It's 2025 already.
Now we're gonna mix it.
Ayan.
Very mix it.
Sarap kaya yan kasi maganda ang ngiti ang ating nagluluto. Oh.
Ang sarap to. It was instructed by the one and only
Siyempre
May Saludes.
hindi tinipid yung pagbili ng mangga guys. Salagang secret. Uy, taga-tasting daw siya.
Matamis. Walang lasa? Oo, mo. Isa pa.
Walang lasa.
My God! So sarap, guys. Parang it's $10.
Tidot.
So the next ingredient, we're gonna slice a mango. Right, Miguel?
No, yes.
Ito ba? Ana! O ikaw gumawa. Kasi yung gagawin mo.
Taste this.
Masyadong makapal.
Uumbok.
Yan si Miguel. Lahat ng bagay ang tumutulong. Si ate yun.
Ba't siya?
Dilipad pa yun.
Yun o.
Kaya pakpak.
Makikita mo ba ito? Ay, hindi siya ina.
Ipak maba. Hindi yung motor.
Very careful yung naglalagay ng sauce, guys.
Hindi.
Takot mapagalitan. Ay, garamping at natatapon.
Hapon na pala. Yours?
Para sa akin.
Ayan na guys, sa tatapos ng kanyang Graham. Ayan. Batli tatlo yan. Ito dalawa. Isa, tatlo. Alright, thank you for watching guys. Happy holiday. And God bless you all. Mag-enjoy tayo sa holiday. And good evening everyone. Bye-bye. Guys. Thank you, Hati.
Howdy.
Wow.
Howdy.
Thank you, anak. Wow. Gusto dito.